What's up, guys? So Instacart just did an update that's going to allow them to combine 4 orders together. That means one batch is going to include 4 multiple customers. Let me know what you think about that. In this video, we're diving into that as well as Instacart shopper training. This series will continue. I know I've been a bit slacking, but that kind of goes into today's video. I have been dealing with a below average rating, 4.93. Those of you who are Instacart shoppers or Ship shoppers or even Uber drivers or even DoorDash deliverers, DoorDash shoppers, whatever it is you guys are calling yourselves. You guys understand what the difference is from a 5-star rating to a 4.93. Like, it makes a huge difference. My week has been hectic. I had a really bad order at the Marriott Hotel. It was like on floor 2000, bro. I put that in there. I'm going to put a bunch of stuff in this video. It's going to be a little different, but it's going to be awesome. Great content, and you guys are going to learn a lot from it. Also, if you want information on getting your PPP loan from Wombly, then you're at the right place. Stay tuned. I just got the craziest update from one of my Instagram followers. If you guys aren't following Instacart shoppers, all of you need to be looking me up on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Like, we're building a community. The only way you're going to benefit from it is by being a part of the community. Liking, subscribing, following. Just, get with the program. Because you guys are going to miss out. We're putting out quality content, great information for new shoppers and advanced shoppers as well. Instacart strategies, back at it again. Instacart shopper training. All right, what's up, guys? I got a bit of a late start on it today, but I did want to touch base with everyone in the community and kind of get your take on the new Instacart update, or if you guys have even heard about it. They're going to start putting more than 3 orders on one batch. So it'll be up to, I believe, 4 orders on one batch. So that's 4 different Instacart customers for one Instacart batch. So if you're an Instacart shop, people drive crazy. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, my bad, man. Somebody jumped right in front of me, and then the other person was turning to the left. Sometimes people just don't know how to drive. Maybe it's these Indiana drivers. That's where I'm at. Indiana. If you guys are Instacart shoppers for Indiana and you got any tips for me in this area, then comment below. All right, so without further ado, we're going to jump into the screenshots of first the new Instacart update in one of the batches and just how pathetic the metrics were on there. I've told you guys before in the last video and even the one before that, Instacart drivers are all about their metrics. You got to know your numbers, what type of paying order you can afford to take. It all adds up, guys. So we're going to jump into the screenshots. I'm going to get some explaining. Then after that, we're going to jump into the worst batch I've ever had to deliver. Let's get it going. So I already showed you the snapshot of the new batch layout that I have gotten information on from a Instacart strategies follower over on Instagram. What you're looking at now is the Wombly PPP loan through SmartBiz for the SBA PPP loans. I'm actually going to do another video on this one. I kind of just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I did get my loan. It's pending approval. So once it gets dispersed to me, I've already done everything I need to do on my end. Then at that point, we'll do a video on it so that you guys can get all the info that you need so that you too can get your PPP loan. That's the kind of things we're going to do on this channel, help each other grow and get wealthy.
Sados made this.
that. So at this point, the day was pretty much coming to an end. I took one last order just because I had to. I'm dealing with a 4.93, and like every order I've been getting has been complete trash, bro. Like complete trash, bro. So, but I mean, I still got to make my quota. You know, I still got to make at least $200, at least $200 every day. So I do what I have to do. This is one of the orders I just ended up having to do. It was at the Marriott, and not just the normal Marriott, like the Donald Trump Marriott, the big Marriott. The thing is like, I think the delivery is on floor 27, and bro, it was mayhem. And then I get out there and I gotta go take like 3 trips up the elevator, down the elevator, up the elevator. And then the chick, she was cool, I guess. She came and meet me, and I thought, okay, so whole time I'm thinking it's gonna be at least like that she's the one who's giving the good tip for the batch. But come to find out, it wasn't even her, bro. It was somebody else. The second customer that was tipping like $30. She was only tipping 10. Bro, that stuff makes me so like, man, I hate when Instacart puts batches together, the one who's not tipping with the one who is tipping, because then the second one who is tipping got their stuff late, and it was hot, warm, like they were mad. They actually, you guys have seen, I actually took a screenshot of it, but man, bro, like I don't really understand why Instacart has to do things that way. Why not have it, at least if you're gonna put them together, make it that the person who tips the most gets their order first. Like that makes sense to me. If they're tipping the most, they're obviously willing to pay for the service and are a better customer long term. That's my opinion, but who am I? Just an Instacart shopper, you know, the guy on the ground actually getting stuff done. Whatever, boots on the ground, actually getting these orders out. Is what it is, though. I got there to the next delivery, and I was looking at my app, and I noticed that the tip was gone. So what you're gonna see from this point forward is me talking with Instacart customer care, trying to get the situation all figured out. I noticed the tip was gone after delivering the first order at the Marriott, freaking 27 stories high, which I actually understand. I wasn't even mad at the customer. I was mad at Instacart for setting it up that way. Is what it is, though. I get on with Instacart customer care. By the way, this is good information for anyone who's ever been through something like this. First thing you need to do is get in contact with customer care, kind of cover your ass, you know what I mean? So you don't get hit with any bad rating or anything like that. You can kind of hopefully get in front of it before they actually like close out the order, because by now the customer's probably thinking, where's my food? Is it going to be melted? All sorts of things. So my suggestion is to go through it just the way that I did. Read this. It's going to help you understand how you should be communicating with customer care and the kind of patience you're going to have with them as well as the customer. I actually called the customer and kind of left them a voice message, just letting them know the situation. They were cool about it, and you guys will see at the end of the video how it all played out. Be courteous to the customer, communicate with them, communicate with customer care, let everyone know the situation. That's gonna be the best bet for you keeping your tip in the end. As you'll see on some screenshots, screen recording that occurred during this whole email conundrum, whatever you want to call it. I saw that the tip was gone, and then I actually, like right after delivering and everything like that, get to see that the tip has been put back on there, which completely saved the night. I actually was having a rough day. Well, I was having a decent day, but it's been a rough week because my rating right now is a 4.93. So you guys know how that goes. Sometimes it's busy enough where you get good orders. Sometimes it doesn't matter. Your rating's low, so you're just not going to get anything worth doing. But yeah, make your way through this. It'll help you understand how you need to communicate, as I've said before, with the customer, with Instacart customer care, and how to get the best results out of every situation. End of the day, we're delivering food. People care about their food. So if you act like you care about their food, or at least do your best to get them to understand you're not trying to pull one over on them or steal their food, because that's what every Instacart customer is kind of scared of right now. You should be good. You should be golden. So, once again, this is a Instacart shopper training video. Sorry, I know it was a bit long, bit dry at moments, but as I said, packed with quality information, great content, things that everyone should be learning, everyone should be implementing, so that we can all benefit. If we're all refusing to take crappy orders, then we're all going to benefit. They're going to have to increase the totality of the orders in general. Just like if we're all being courteous to other customers, to all the customers, they're going to show much more appreciation. Instacart Strategies, thank you. Like, subscribe. I appreciate the love, the support. Let's keep this channel going. Share the video. Thanks for making it to the end. You guys are the MVPs.